Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is very close to my heart because this is the one thing which I've struggled my whole life with. And I always used to feel that, that I am like this only. And when you feel and when you are stuck in a loop where you feel that this is the only way the life can be lived and I'm like this only, there is no other way, I'm like this only and there is no other way. Okay, so you feel like a victim in that place. You feel like, all these things are happening to me only and I'm the victim. I'm the one who's going through with all these things. Okay, I'm the one who's stuck here and nobody's looking at me. The world is bad, the universe is bad, everything happens to me only. Okay, and it's me who's always stuck with the problems. 1 minute. Yeah. So there is something with my camera which I. So, because you're not able to see any other way, because your awareness is not reached there where you feel like, no, there is nothing wrong with me, it is just a conditioning, where you are stuck in a loop and you don't know that in whichever loop that you are, that loop is actually not you. That loop is only a conditioning or a belief that maybe your parents gave you, maybe the society gave you, maybe your teachers gave you, maybe the circumstances gave you. But in a loop, when you are in that loop, you are not able to believe that this is a loop and this is just a belief and this can be changed. Okay, in that loop you are not aware, you don't know, you are not able to think out of the loop, you are not able to see the life out of the loop, you are not able to see the good things outside of the loop. So, for you and for your mind, everything is just inside the loop. And you feel these are the walls, and I will not be able to cross this loop. This is my life. That's how people are. That's how I have to live. That's how I have to survive. That's how things are. That's how life is. You are like, there is nothing better than what I have right now. And how to know that you are in survival mode when you are not able to stand up for yourself, when you are not able to choose yourself, when you are not able to fully be yourself, when you are not able to speak your truth, when you are not able to be in your own power and you feel you have to sacrifice all these things in order to just survive as in maybe survive in the job, in the relationship, in the family, for the position, okay, for all these things. That's when you how to know when you are not able to do all these things and you are suppressing yourself. That's when you will know that you are in a survival mode. That's when you will know that you are living with the lack mindset. That's when you will know that your mind is telling you, if you have to survive, you have to just be like this. You have to live like this. You have to be small. You cannot radiate. You cannot be yourself. You cannot be you. You cannot speak your truth. You cannot speak your needs. You cannot have boundaries because your mind is busy keeping you alive and making you survive. That survive only, survive only. I don't care about your boundaries. I don't care about your needs. I don't care about your voice, your power right now. इमेजिन करिए कि आप एक जंगल में हैं और आपके पीछे शेर पड़ा हुआ है। उस टाइम पे आपका माइंड क्या सोच रहा है? सिर्फ यही सोच रहा है कि मुझे खुद को जिंदा कैसे रखना है, कैसे ये शेर मुझे ना देख ले, कैसे इस शेर का अटेंशन मेरी तरफ ना आ जाए, कैसे इस शेर के लिए मैं ज़्यादा हाईलाइट ना हो जाऊं, कैसे ये शेर मुझे स्मेल ना कर ले, कैसे ये मुझे देख ना ले, मुझे पकड़ ना ले। ओके, कैसे मैं खुद को छुपा के रखूं, कैसे मैं अंधेरे में बैठ जाऊं, कैसे मैं खुद को स्मॉल करूं, कैसे ये मुझे स्मेल ना करे, कैसे ये मुझे देख ना पाए। तो यहाँ पे आपने अपनी सारी ह्यूमनली सॉरी तो यहाँ पे आपने अपनी सारी ह्यूमनली क्वालिटीज को डिम कर दिया। ओके, एंड यू आर जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन सर्वाइविंग, कि मुझे ये देख ना ले, मुझे ये पकड़ ना ले, मुझे ये सूंघ ना ले, मुझे ये नोटिस ना कर ले। ओके, एंड आप छुप के साइड में बैठे हो क्योंकि आपको बस जिंदा रहना है, आपको बस सर्वाइव करना है। सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम in our life we are living like this, which I have realized, like most of the women and most of us as a women, we are living like this. And mainly I have seen this in my lineage and in my family. Like most of us, we are living like this. They are living like this. Scared of their beauty, scared of their power, scared of their voice, scared of their authority, scared of their needs, scared of their wants, scared of their sensuality, scared of their sexuality, scared of their radiance. And we don't even realize that, the way we are living is not actually the way we should be living. Okay, our ancestors maybe lived like that just to survive, just like the tiger. Okay, कि टाइगर देख रहा है, मुझे सर्वाइव करना है, मुझे अभी किसी चीज़ के भी बारे में नहीं सोचना है, मुझे सिर्फ अभी खुद को जिंदा रखने पे फोकस करना है। लेकिन वो पैटर्न हमारे लीनिएज में ऐसे कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है कि हमको ऐसा लगने लगता है एज अ वेमेन कि इसके आगे कुछ है ही नहीं, जिंदगी ऐसी ही होती है, विमेन को ऐसे ही जीना पड़ता है, विमेन को ऐसे ही रहना पड़ता है, विमेन को सर्वाइव करने के लिए ऐसे ही लाइफ जीनी पड़ती है, ऐसे ही होता आ रहा है तो सब कुछ ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, इसके आगे कुछ नहीं हो सकता। लेकिन ये भी तो हो सकता है कि आप जिस लूप में जी रहे हो वो बस एक लूप है, एंड क्योंकि आपके एंसेस्टर्स को वैसे जीना पड़ा, सोसाइटी में मोस्ट ऑफ द विमेन आर लिविंग लाइक दैट, क्योंकि उनके एंसेस्टर्स को में भी उन्हें भी ऐसे जीना पड़ा, क्योंकि कोई चॉइसेस नहीं थे, मे बी इतनी नॉलेज नहीं थी, इतना सोशल मीडिया जितना अब है उतना तब नहीं था, इतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं थी। द फोकस वॉज ओनली ऑन सर्वाइविंग, कि मुझे टाइगर से बच के रहना है, उसके लिए मुझे जो भी कुछ करना पड़े मैं करूँगी, मुझे बस टाइगर से बच के रहना है। तो अब की लाइफ में अगर वो टाइगर नहीं भी है आपके आसपास, आपका माइंड वो सेम पैटर्न को रिपीट कर रहा है, उस सेम सिनेरियो पे चल रहा है, जहाँ पे वो टाइगर एक्चुअली टाइगर तो नहीं है। टाइगर कैन बी एनीवन फॉर योर माइंड, जिससे आपके माइंड को लगे कि थ्रेट है, वो हर इंसान आपके माइंड के लिए टाइगर है, जिससे कि आपको लगे कि मुझे यहाँ पे थ्रेट है, मुझे यहाँ पे खुद को बचाना है, मुझे यहाँ पे खुद को सेफ रखना है। आपके माइंड के लिए वो हर इंसान टाइगर होगा, एंड वो हर इंसान आपके लिए थ्रेट होगा, एंड आपका माइंड हर उस इंसान से खुद को बचाने के लिए आपके प्रोटेक्टर्स को सामने लाएगा, एंड आपके लाइट को डिम करेगा। If that's how you survived, or maybe women survived in your lineage. I will talk about me, what I have seen. Mostly I have seen in my lineage is, women being scared of her beauty, of her radiance, women not putting herself first, women not talking about her needs, her want, women being so much attached to her identities as a form of survival, that I have to treat people in a specific way, otherwise my survival is going to be at risk. I have to put myself last, I have to think about others first, I have to make others feel better, I just have to survive, I have to dim my light. Okay, dimming the light can be eating last. Okay, not dressing the way you want to dress, not choosing the life, the career you really want to choose. Okay, not listening to your inner voice, not believing that you are deserving of the love, the abundance, the respect, okay, and choosing less for yourself, choosing allowing people to disrespect you, dishonor you, going against your yes or no, going against your will, okay, because in your mind you are like, I just have to survive, because your mind have seen women sacrificing themselves to the limit that you feel whatever I will have in my life is so much, there is nothing else. Okay, so I will share this small story with you. When I used to go to the gym, so no, when I was a child, I always used to tell my parents that, you know, and everyone, like I'm a queen, I'm this, I'm that, treat me like this, and I used to be humiliated for this. They used to laugh at me, they used to mock at me, they used to make fun of me, as if my light was triggering something in them. My light was triggering their own lack, where they are not healing themselves, where what they haven't received. So for them it was like, how she can sit fully in her light when we did not sit in our light, when we did not had the opportunity and the life where we could also, you know, shine in our own light. How she can do this? So rather than working on themselves, they chose to dim my light. Okay, that's how I started to be scared. Like that's how I started to feel, okay, I should not be like that. I should not claim the place. Okay, I should not claim the place as mine. I should not own this place. Owning is not कि property wise own कर रहे हैं, energetically that I also deserve to be here. I also deserve to sit here. You know, I am also contributing something just by sitting here. I don't have to be anyone, I have to do anything. I am also contributing so much just by sitting here. I don't have to do any degrees, I don't have to be anyone. I just deserve to sit here because I'm breathing. That's it, that's all. And this mindset used to trigger people a lot in my own lineage, in my own family. And I still see this, and they all used to say things like that, like, you are too much, you are this, you are that. I will not get into the details, but yeah, you are this, you are that, you are too much, and used to make me feel small and bad for claiming the place as mine, because they themselves never had this. They were not allowed to be this version of themselves. They never experienced something like this. So the person who was sitting with the light, full of light and power, was triggering them. So because they did not choose to work on themselves, they tried to wound, they tried to dim the light. Okay, so, and I will share this one more. When I used to go to the school or my college or anywhere, this um, pattern of my lineage was so engraved in me by that time that I started to see everyone as bigger than me. They have more money, they wear good clothes, they are so much better, they are so intelligent, they come from this family, they come from that family, they have this height, they have that height. And I started to look down on myself. I started to not claim my place. I started to not own my place. I started to feel unworthy. I started to feel lack, that I'm not deserving of sitting in this group. I'm not deserving of wearing this cloth. I'm not deserving of being with them. I'm not deserving of this friendship. I'm not deserving of their love, the connection. I started to feel lack. And for my mind, it was like every crumb was so much. Even if somebody is just coming, even if that person was bad to me, but if that person is coming and talking to me, because I was starved of that kind of attention and love, even that kind of crumb coming from a wrong person also, it was for me a very big thing. That it's a very big thing. So rather than setting boundaries, rather than knowing my worth, rather than knowing my value, rather than, me sitting in my power, I started to feel intimidating by whatever their presence. Ki, they are so big. They are doing some kind of ihsan on me by talking to me, by giving me 2 seconds of presence, by looking at me for 2 seconds, by smiling at me because I was starved. And they made me believe that that's what I am deserving of. Okay, that's what women get, that's what you get, that's how the life is. And I started to shrink myself, then I started to feel small, then I started to feel scared of my own light. I started to feel, okay, my light is not good, my light is harmful. And by that time I was so trained to live in this lack, because I was always living in lack in my, like, the way I was treated and the way they were treating me, it was all about lack, and the whole surrounding was about lack. ओके, एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, अगर एक ब्रेड का टुकड़ा है, ठीक है, अगर आपका अबंडेंस माइंडसेट है तो आप उस ब्रेड के टुकड़े को देखोगे, ठीक है, आपको लगेगा कि चलो अगर किसी और ने भी ले लिया है तो मेरे लिए मे बी इससे कुछ और अच्छा होगा, मे बी उससे कुछ लग्जूरियस, इससे कोई भी बहुत अच्छा होगा जो मेरे लिए होगा ब्रेड। ओके, और वो खुद अपने आप आएगा। मुझे जो भी चाहिए होता है वो हमेशा मेरे पास खुद आता है। And I'm content. I don't want to fight with this person. I don't want to demean this person. I don't want to talk bad about this person. I don't want to make this person believe that bad about herself. कि तुमने ये क्यों, you will not get into the fight for that bread. You will not come into this fighter mode, this competitive mode कि अभी तो मुझे fight करना है इस bread के ऊपर। अभी इस दुनिया में पूरा एक ही ब्रेड है, तो अगर इसको कैसे मिला, यू विल नॉट फील जेलस, यू विल नॉट फील बैड, यू विल नॉट फील एंग्री, यू विल बी कंटेंट। यू आर लाइक ओके, अगर इसको मिल गया ठीक है, मुझे कुछ इससे भी अच्छा मिलेगा। मगर ये तब होगा जब आप अबंडेंट माइंडसेट में हो। लेकिन अगर आप लैक माइंडसेट में हो तो आप कैसे फील करोगे? आपके माइंड को लग रहा है कि पूरी दुनिया में एक ही ब्रेड है। ओके, अब जो वो बंदा उस ब्रेड को ले रहा है, भले ही उसने पर्पसली आपको ट्रिगर करने के लिए नहीं लिया, लेकिन आपका माइंड उसे कैसे परसीव कर रहा है कि वो जानबूझ के ये ब्रेड ले रहा है, वो मुझे खुश देखना ही नहीं चाहते, वो चाहते ही नहीं कि मेरी लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा हो। यू विल कम इन दिस फाइट मोड, competitive mode, and to have that bread, either you will choose the path of darkness and you will project all your shadows onto that person, because for your mind you want to have that bread. That bread is limited for your mind, the supply of that bread is limited for your mind, and because your mind is like, if they take it, I cannot have it, so if I want to have it, I have to be this, I have to compete with this person, I have to put this person down, I have to maybe this person have this bread because this person have this quality, so maybe I have to copy this person, because if I'm not this person, then maybe I will not have this bread. Okay, or maybe you will be like, how can I destroy this person so that this person cannot see the bread only, so that I will only have the bread. This is when you are living in survival. अब आप इस ब्रेड को अपनी लाइफ में हर जगह फिट कर दो, अटेंशन के लिए, वैलिडेशन के लिए, अपने पोस्ट के लिए, अपने बिजनेस के लिए, पार्टनर के लिए, लव के लिए, फ्रेंडशिप के लिए, खुद के लिए, क्लोथ्स के लिए, फूड के लिए, घर के लिए, मनी के लिए, आप हर जगह इस ब्रेड को फिट कर दो। तो अगर आप सर्वाइवल मोड में जी रहे हैं, अगर आप इस स्कैरसिटी माइंडसेट में जी रहे हैं, अगर आप लैक माइंडसेट में जी रहे हैं, अगर आप वननेस माइंडसेट में नहीं है, जहाँ पे आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड एट knowing the concept of oneness consciousness, but what I understand is oneness is where you feel that we are not separates. Okay, all are one, and we all are helping each other to reach the same goal, which we, where we all want to reach. And there is endless amount of supply for everyone. So I don't have to steal anything from anyone. I can be happy for them. I can celebrate them. Yes, I can feel negative emotions, but that can be my opportunity to work on myself. Okay, so let's come back to the topic. So, when we are living in this lack mindset, this thing that there is not enough for me, I have lived in this mindset for a very long time because remember, I will not get into the details, but in my family, attention, love, admiration, appreciation was not a easy thing. They never used to appreciate, admire, or praise, or see the light, or see the goodness in me, and see that how I'm different and all those stuff. So I never received those things. The praise, the love, the appreciation, okay, the admiration, okay, noticing my good qualities, noticing my efforts, noticing my um, noticing my क्या बोलेंगे उसे my talents. So I was starved of it, and I always felt people who have all these things. So I, in my mind, it it was like all these things started to take a place of lack. That for people who have these things, they are so different. They are so this. They are so that. So my mind, unconsciously, I start to copy those people who had these things. Okay, they are admired, they are loved, they are accepted, they have friends, they have money, they have all these things. So I started to copy these people because in my mind there is not enough for everyone. Only specific type of people get all these things. Only specific type of women get these things. I will not get these things if I am fully myself. If I'm authentic to myself, I will not be loved. So for me, I was living from the place of lack. I was living from the place of survival, that there is not enough for everyone. If this woman is getting enough praise, enough success, enough love, enough attention, enough whatever related to all these things, then I will not get it. I will not have it. I will not be loved. My place will be taken away. I will be replaced very easily. So I grew up with all these kind of lack mindset. In money also, that whatever I want, I cannot have it until and unless there is exchange of something. Okay, whatever I want, I cannot have. Okay, I cannot have the kind of dress I want to wear. I cannot eat the kind of food I want to eat. I cannot go to the places where I want to go. I cannot buy those things which I really want to buy. If I have to have all these things, I have to make some kind of exchange. Okay, I have to sacrifice something. I have to do something which I am not, which I don't like. Okay, so in my mind, because I did not have all these things with ease, so I subconsciously started to create the lack mindset, that I cannot have these things. And people who have all these things, they are so far away from me, they are so bigger than me, they are so this, they are so that. So my mind started to view all those people as so big, as so far away from me, as so different. Okay, and in all these survival and all these process, I forgot my own value, that what value I am bringing as a human. Because when you are in a survival mode, when you are just surviving for the living, for the love, for all these things, You are not able to see your own light, your own power, your own goodness, your own value that you are offering, that you are bringing, because your mind is stuck with the survival mode. Your mind is like, मुझसे ये ना छिन जाए, मुझसे वो ना छिन जाए, ये ना चला जाए, वो ना चला जाए, ये ना हो जाए, वो ना हो जाए, ऐसे ना हो जाए, वैसे ना हो जाए. I also want to be seen. I also want this. I also want that. And in this process, we as a women, we forget our own worthiness, our own light. And because we are living at this frequency of lack, of survival, we attract everything in our scenario which reflect it, whether it is the job, the relationship, the friendship, the partner, the house, the circumstances. We start to attract all these things where we just have to survive for the living, where we just have to survive for our existence, where we have to survive to just being seen, to be valued, to be respected, to be honored, to be loved. And we forget that because our mind is not able to think about our remember that tiger वाला thing that I told you, कि अगर जंगल में आपको टाइगर दिखा है तो आप सिर्फ सर्वाइवल के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, आपको अपनी क्वालिटीज़ नहीं दिख रही हैं कि मेरे में ये क्वालिटीज़ है, मेरे में वो क्वालिटीज़ है. आपका दिमाग उस क्वालिटीज़ के बारे में नहीं सोच रहा है. आपका दिमाग सिर्फ ये सोच रहा है कि कैसे मैं सर्वाइव करवाऊँ इसको, कैसे मैं इसको ज़िंदा रखूँ. So as a woman, if you are stuck with the survival mode, and if you are stuck with this lack mindset, you are not able to see your power. You are stuck with the competition, with the jealousy, with the resentment, with the lack. मैं blank हो रही हूँ अभी, word से मैं blank हो रही हूँ. So okay, with all these things. एंड आप ये सोचिए कि अगर आप compete कर रहे हैं, अगर आप किसी और के लाइट को डिम करना चाहते हैं, अगर आपको लगता है कि अगर इसने ये चीज़ ले लिया तो मेरे लिए वो चीज़ इनफ नहीं होगी, सो आई हैव टू फाइट, आई हैव टू पुल हर डाउन. Okay, if you are living with all these things, with all these frequencies, with this mentality, and you are not able to see your own light, you are stuck with all these things. So do you think you will be able to attract amazing things in your life? You will only and only attract which will reflect your lackness, because universe wants you to work on you. अब आप वो अब करें या फिर कभी और करें, वो आपके ऊपर है, बट यूनिवर्स वो रिफ्लेक्ट करता ही रहेगा जब तक आप उसको देखना नहीं चाहते हैं. एंड कभी कभी हम उस चीज़ को अपनी लाइफ बना लेते हैं कि अब ऐसा ही होता है, अब मुझे फाइट ही करना है, मुझे कम्पीट ही करना है, मुझे स्नैच ही करना है, अब मुझे वो चीज़ को छोड़ना नहीं है, अब मुझे कंट्रोल ही करना है, अब मुझे फाइट ही करना है, अब मुझे सर्वाइव ही करना है. कभी कभी बिकॉज दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव सीन इन माई लिनिएज, कि उस चीज़ को अपनी लाइफ बना ली है कि यही लाइफ होती है विमेन की. विमेन ऐसी ही जीती हैं, विमेन का इतना ही रोल होता है. और वो क्या रोल मैंने देखा है? ओनली कुकिंग, क्लीनिंग, वॉशिंग एंड डूइंग ऑल द थिंग्स विच मेड डू. ओके, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, दीज आर नॉट द स्मॉल थिंग्स. अगर हमारे घर में कोई काम वाली भी आती है ना, वो इतने मन से भी वो सारे काम नहीं करती है और डबल अमाउंट लेके जाती है. एंड वो सारी चीज़ें जब हमें वो उस लव के साथ मिल रहा है तो हम उसको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव सीन, कि विमेन बीइंग ट्रीटेड एज समवन की जिनका बस रोल है मेन की लाइफ में कि वो राजा की तरह रह पाएँ. विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू मैन, देयर आर सो मैनी मैन आउट देयर हु आर रियली गुड, बट आई एम शेयरिंग व्हाट आई हैव सीन, कि विच आई हैव सीन एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड, कि विमेन का रोल है कि वो men can be boys, men can be men can be brothers or any kind of. Women का काम है कि उनको comfort देना, उनको कंफर्टेबल रखना, उनको ऑनर करना, उनकी लाइफ कैसे इजी हो उसको देखना, उनकी लाइफ कैसे स्मूथ हो उसको देखना, उनको लाइफ में कैसे प्रॉब्लम ना हो उसको देखना, उनको लाइफ में कैसे डिस्कम्फर्ट ना हो किसी भी टाइप का उसको देखना, उनकी लाइफ में कैसे कोई प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो उसको देखना, वो कैसे अपनी लाइफ में फ्रीडम और खुशी की तरह जी सकते हैं उसको देखना। एंड विमेन का सिर्फ इतना ही काम है कि विमेन का रोल ही इतना होता है इस दुनिया में। एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन women telling me, I will not take the names, like women birth is not good, it is so harsh, it is so bad, it is all about being treated as a maid and living as a maid and doing all these things, and women are born for all these things, women have no existence, no name of their own, they are alive because their husbands are alive and because their husbands are keeping them. So I've seen all these things, and I always used to feel that this is one thing which I never want in my life. And trust me, for having that kind of worth, for having that kind of light, for having that kind of mental clarity, I was humiliated for this by women only and by so many men also. Like how she can claim the space, how she can choose for herself, how she can take up the space, how she can feel deserving of attention, love, admiration, respect, how she can feel valuable, how she can have mind, how she can say no, how she can have choice, why she's not taking care of us, why she's not sacrificing herself for us, why she's not dimming herself for us to make us feel comfortable, to make our egos feel comfortable, why she's not living a small life, why she have a voice, why she's speaking up, why she's standing for herself, why she's not living like those women. So earlier, when I was a child, I used to think maybe I am a very egoistic person. I am very bad. I'm not good for all these things. But now on this day, I realized that I was born with this. Okay, and there was nothing wrong with me. There was everything wrong with them, because I also empathize with them, because I feel they as a child did not receive all these things. Also, they did not have the kind of awareness that we have right now. But it is also right that we all have choice at all ages, but they chose to dim themselves down. And the biggest anger which I am releasing is, you lived the small life, now you want your other generation to also live the small life, because that's what you saw, because you are living in survival mode, you are living in lack and fear. So you want, because maybe you are coming from the place of, I want to keep you protected, but maybe now your understanding of protection is outdated. Okay, maybe now we cannot live the way you lived. So yeah, I always felt that my light is too much, I'm too much, why I say no or say yes, why am I eating first, why am I doing these things for myself, why I'm standing up for myself, why am I choosing myself. So I always felt small for all these things. I always felt like I am a very bad person, I'm a horrible person, I am selfish woman. Okay, and I'm intimidating, and I'm this and I'm that. So I started to feel ashamed of my own power, my own needs, my own space, my own my right to take up the space, my right to claim the space. I started to feel ashamed. I started to feel I need to shrink myself, I need to fit in, I need to dim myself down, I have to dim myself down, I have to dim my voice, I have to dim my radiance, I have to dim my beauty, I have to dim myself in order to be safe, in order to belong, in order to be a good girl, in order to be a good sacrificing girl who sacrifices for everyone, who do not stand up for herself. Then only I am good. And in this process, I did not realize that I started to dim myself so much that I forgot how to take a space for myself, how to claim the space, how to own my no, how to own my yes, how to know my own value, how to know what I am bringing to the table just by being alive, just by sitting there, just by including myself there. I forgot that my existence is contributing so much. And because I was starved of friendship and all the basic needs that human should have, I started to forget about my own power, which I've just shared with you. And I started to accept crumbs. कि this is what, अभी इतना मिल रहा है, चलो इसी को ले लेते हैं. अभी इतना तो मिल रहा है, इसको तो मैं रख लूँ, अगर ये भी मेरे हाथ से चला गया तो क्या होगा. So today what happened that I was sitting in the gym and I was doing this something in the room, changing room, and वो मुझे करने में 15 से 20 मिनट लगता है. And when I was sitting in the room, trust me, I was shaking. I was shaking as if, oh my God, you know, दूसरी औरतें मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगी, उनको ये रूम यूज़ करना होगा, मैं बहुत टाइम तक बैठी हुई हूँ, they will be rude, they will look down on me, they will not talk to me, they will think that you know, I'm all those negative things. So then I asked myself that why do I feel like I cannot receive this moment, this place, and I cannot sit here thinking that I am deserving of sitting and it is okay if they are upset. And I will still have friends, I will still have freedom, I will still have the place here. Then my memory started to go back to my childhood, where, and started to trigger all those things where I felt the same. And to the moment where I tried to show my power and sit with my power, and I was forcefully, they made me feel small. They wanted me to feel small because my light was triggering shadows in them, because they did not want to work on their own shadows. So it was easy for them to dim me, to dim my light down. Okay. Then I started to think about, I just sat with myself and I allowed myself to feel. And there is this voice which came from inside me. It was like, you are scared of your own power. You are scared of sitting with your power. You are scared of owning your power. Because that's how you were treated. And you think, because I am this much year old, but the part of me who faced all these things is stuck with those ages. So in order to make myself feel seen, I had to look into those parts who were treated like that and remind them that I am grown up, I have taken stand for myself. And where you had to do all those things, you had to do that because you did not have the awareness. You did not know anything else. You just knew that I have to survive, I want to belong, I want to exist, I want to be loved. And if I will not sacrifice my light, if I will not sacrifice who I am at my core, then maybe I will not survive. Maybe I will not have things. Because for a child is not thinking about awareness and all these things. Child is mainly thinking about that I want to survive. Okay, so I had to remind her that you don't have to survive anymore. I'm grown up and trust me, इस चीज़ को बिलीव करने में आपके नर्वस सिस्टम को टाइम लगेगा. एंड आप धीरे धीरे जब अपने आप को एक्सपोज करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, एक्सपोज एज इन स्टार्ट टेकिंग अप द स्पेस. इवन इफ़ यू आर सिटिंग इन योर रूम, आपके पास कोई टेक्स्ट आ रहा है और आपका माइंड बोल रहा है कि अभी के अभी मुझे इसको रिस्पॉन्ड करना है, नहीं तो आई विल बी इन अ डेंजर. इट मीन्स योर माइंड इज सेइंग you cannot rest. Even if you are exhausted, you cannot take up the space, you cannot set the boundaries, you cannot think about yourself, your body, your time, your mood. You just have to be, in order to be safe, you have to abandon all these parts of you and just text this person back. Because if you will not text, maybe this person will leave you, maybe this person will stop talking to you, maybe this opportunity will go. So you are living from this place and you are applying this everywhere. So what I will say that, yeah, start responding late when your body is actually ready, when you actually feel that now I'm ready to meet this person, now I'm ready to text back. Even if you are sitting in a room, sit like this, take up the place and keep telling yourself, I deserve to be here. I'm not that version of myself anymore. I'm not that girl anymore. I'm not small anymore. I have more awareness, I have more tools, I can do better. And if you are going in the market or in the gym, like what I do when I am walking in a gym, I walk like this, I take up the place, I take up the space, I walk. मैं वॉक करती हूँ अपने कंधों को पूरा सीधा रख के कि आई ऑल्सो डिजर्व टू बी हियर, आई पेड फॉर इट, सो आई विल नॉट श्रिंक माई सेल्फ. ओके, एंड स्टार्ट वेयरिंग द ज्वेलरी, द ड्रेस, द मेकअप which you stopped wearing. Okay, all these small exposures will help you to take up the place again, to start coming back into your own power. And trust me, a lot of people are gonna be triggered, but then you will know those people are not your people. Because people who love you, they will admire you, they will support your growth. People who is triggered by your light do not want to work on their own lack, their own wounds, their own shame, their own guilt, their own protectors. They don't want to look within themselves. So letting them go is also a journey of you feeling, no matter if I let go of these people, universe will replace them with so much better. So I don't have to accept this bad treatment. I am deserving of a good treatment. I am deserving of being valued for my light, for my time, for my space, for my place, for who I am, for my voice, for my boundaries, for my needs, for my wants. I am deserving of it. I am valuable, and no matter, even if I let them go, I will still be replaced. No, not I will be. Universe will replace these people with the people who will really see me the way I see myself. Maybe they will see though the light in me which I am not right now able to see in me. But this will only and only happen if you will start to heal slowly and gradually. I'll say your root chakra maybe, and your survival and lack mindset. Because if you are stuck in survival and lack mindset as a woman, I've seen it. You will continue to accept all the bad behavior, the wrong treatment, the life where you feel small because you feel I have to be this in order to survive. You are not able to choose yourself. You are not able to believe in yourself. Okay? I know this because I've lived it, and I know how it feels to live in a survival, in a lack mindset where you feel that this is all it is. This is how the life is. This is how the people are. This is how the men are. This is how the women are. This is what we have to do in order to earn money. This is what we have to do in order to have friends, family, siblings, or your partner. Because your mind just want you to, even if you are not able to choose better for yourself, in that process also your mind is just trying to protect you. Your mind will never work against you. Your mind is always working to protect you. And for your mind right now, this is how you will be protected, by dimming your light. I got aware of this because I'm like, why am I so scared of taking up the space? Why am I scared of speaking my mind? Why am I scared of losing this person? Why am I scared of wearing this dress? Why am I scared of looking pretty? Why am I scared of being noticed? Because every time I did all these things, I had the bad consequences of all these things. Either I was ditched, I was humiliated, I was treated badly, people left me and they stopped talking to me, they mistreated me. Some or the other way, there was some kind of danger from my light. So I started to shrink myself. I started to not take up the space. I started to feel I cannot take up the space. And most of us as a women, we are doing the same thing with ourselves. We are accepting the life which is so below us, okay, because we are in a survival mode. We are in a lack mindset. And we think this is how the life is. This is all that I can have. There is nothing else for me. And I can totally understand, because it's a horrible place to be. But trust me, this is not all you are deserving. ऐसे बोलेंगे ना, कभी कभी ना ब्लैंक हो जाता है. मैं ये बोलूँगी कि आपका माइंड सिर्फ आपको सेफ रखने के लिए इस लूप में रख रहा है. जब तक आपके पास वो एक ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट आता है ना कि नो, नाउ आई जस्ट कैन नॉट डिम माई सेल्फ एनी मोर. वो ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट मेरी लाइफ में तो आया. देन आई वॉज लाइक, क्या बस यही है, कुछ और नहीं है? ओके. एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज टू फील कि, एंड वेन एवर अ वुमेन यूज टू हैव very good boundaries, taking up a place and saying no, I always used to get triggered because I was not able to do that. So in my mind it was like, she's too much. But they were not too much. They knew their worth. Okay. So every time you are triggered by anybody's light, अगर आप किसी और विमेन के लाइट से ट्रिगर हो रहे हैं, rather than degrading her, devaluing her, ask yourself, where in my life I am not valuing myself the way she is valuing her? Where in my life I am abandoning myself the way she is not abandoning herself? Where in my life I learned that in order to survive, I have to be this version of myself which I am today. Maybe she is your mirror showing you the potential of yours, what you can have. But rather than choosing that and being inspired of that, you start to throw pebbles. कि नो, अभी मैं अगर ये नहीं बन सकती तो मैं इसको भी बनने नहीं दूंगी. अगर मैं ये नहीं कर सकती तो मैं इसको भी नहीं करने दूंगी. अगर मेरे पास ये नहीं हो सकता तो मैं इसके पास भी नहीं होने दूंगी. दिस इज अ लैक माइंडसेट, वेयर यू फील कि आपसे सब चीज़ छीन लिया जाएगा, सब चीज़ ले लिया जाएगा, आप रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे. एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी हॉरिबल प्लेस टू बी. And trust me, it is my deepest desire ever since I was a child. This thing I kept on noticing. Now I know why. Because, and also the one thing, now I only and only want to work with the women who is willing to connect with her worth, with her light, with her power, not with those who are intimidating, triggered, and feel jealous and stuck with survival and lack mindset, where they feel threatened by the light. They are not ready. They are just not ready. Maybe it's not their time. But I want to start working with the women, and I was thinking about to do something and come up with this thing which I will come up soon. And I'm just not clear कि पहला किस topic पे करना चाहिए, but I'm thinking about doing the workshop with you, whoever is ready to help you all, okay, in whichever way that I can. And I am thinking about this workshop, and I want to conduct this workshop for a women. I am just not clear कि अभी किस topic पे मुझे करना चाहिए, but this is one thing which I am having from a very long time, which I'm sharing with you all. This one desire which I have from a very long time, that I want to conduct one workshop to at least start meeting you all, like on Zoom only, because offline तो maybe अभी हो नहीं पाएगा. But yeah, I would like to do this, and if you have any idea in your mind, and if you want to be guided into any direction, if you want to be guided into any in any direction, so yeah, if you feel called that you want to be guided, okay, so yeah, you all can comment down below, and I will definitely look into all those ideas that you are giving me, and I will think about it, and then I will come up with something amazing. Okay, so on this note, I would like to go now. थोड़ा सा ब्लैंक हो रही हूँ, मुझे कभी कभी ना थोड़ा सा आई गो ब्लैंक. आई एम लाइक अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ, अभी मैंने सब कुछ शेयर कर दिया, अभी कुछ शेयर करने के लिए बचा नहीं है, तो अभी मैं क्या शेयर करूँ. सो लास्ट में मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि इन दिस यूनिवर्स देयर इज़ अबंडेंस ऑफ एवरीथिंग फॉर एवरीवन, बट हमने ये बहुत बार सुना है. बट एज अ women we have been traumatized so much for our power, for our safety, for our radiance, for our sexuality, sensuality, that if we are in survival, then we are not able to believe in this phrase कि okay, there is enough abundance for everyone. Because if you are stuck in survival, you will not be able to see anything beyond that, right? बट कभी ना कभी आपकी लाइफ में वो थ्रेस होल्ड आएगा, वो पॉइंट आएगा जहाँ आपको लगेगा कि नहीं यार, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव एवरीथिंग इन माई लाइफ. यूनिवर्स शो मी द वे, एनलाइटन मी, टेल मी कि वो क्या है जो मुझे स्टक रख रहा है. बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, आई वॉज डन feeling jealous, feeling resentful, feeling competitive, feeling less, feeling low, feeling scared of my light, my voice, not being able to set boundaries, wanting to say fearfully wanting to say yes to everything which I don't want to have. I was like, I don't want to live like this, and I was crying and crying, and like I cried so many times. But then it was like, this is not the life I want. I never wanted this life. Show me कि इससे better और क्या हो सकता है. I don't want to live with this lower vibrational emotions, which is jealousy, resentment, competition, greed, and all these things, that if I will not have it, how she can have it. I don't want to live like this. I also want to be seen. I also want to experience all these things. Then universe started to show me my own wounds, my own protectors, my own lack mindset, my own fear mindset, my own fear of my own power, my own belief that if I have to be alive, if I have to survive, I have to do all these things. That there is not enough for me, there is not enough for everyone. And if you are in survival mode, if you are in a survival mode and in a lack mindset, trust me, you are disconnected from your feminine radiance, from your divine feminine energy, and you are stuck in your head. Your brain is thinking about 100 thoughts in 1 minute, and you are always overthinking, over analyzing, overly exaggerating the things which are happening in your life. You are not able to um, feel comfortable being in your body, because वो trust नहीं है ना that everything will come. I don't have to overthink, over analyze. um, I don't have to predict everything. I don't have to know everything. I don't have to control everything. I don't have to know what they are thinking all the time. I don't have to manage their mood, their mind. So if you are in a survival mode and stuck with the lack mindset, you are disconnected from your body also, and that's when you will know, when you are stuck in your mind, overthinking, over analyzing. Okay, you will know that you are disconnected from your body, and you are stuck with the lack, and you are stuck with the lack mindset and survival mindset, because you are not able to trust, you are not able to flow, you are not able to allow, you are not able to believe in your own worthiness. You are not able to feel comfortable in your own body, in your own power, with your own power. You people please, you shut yourself down, you over analyze, you overthink, you over adjust. You are in your head, you are disconnected from your body. And trust me, I'm not there. I'm still healing, and I totally understand that it is not easy. But there is a way. Okay, we all can choose. We all can choose a better life. And trust me, I am telling you, I'm the example. A better life is possible. Better life, better house, money, your business, your partner, the friendship, everything you want is possible without sacrificing your true authentic self, your power, your radiance, your beauty, who you are at your core. Yeah, on this note, I will complete my video here. I will see you all in my next video. And do comment down below that how these videos on this note, I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, bye.